Hey guys, welcome to Stickin To It. It is a beautiful Tuesday afternoon. It's a slight breeze, which is perfect for what I'm doing today. So I'm out here on my drying chain, and what I'm going to be doing is coating these guys here. Is what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sticks. These right there I'm painting a design on, but these right here I'm going to be spraying polyurethane on, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. On these sticks right here currently, these tobacco sticks, these oaks, sweet gum, and more oaks and sweet gum, you can see a slight shine on them right now. And pretty much what that is I did one coat already. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sand that coat slightly, sand it slightly, not too hard, to get all the rough edges off. And especially on oak, it happens a lot on oak. Whenever you spray it, these little pieces of wood decide to pull up and decide to stand up and show themselves, and you sand that off to make the stick completely smoother, so much smoother actually. And then the second coat and possibly third coat will be slick as glass. So let's get it started. Before I start the next step, I just want to show you guys something. Right here in the saw marks of this tobacco stick, you can see all the white powder that's collected up in there. That is the polyurethane that I sanded off. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this rag right here and pretty much buff all these out and take all that off. And that way the polyurethane can adhere a whole lot better once it gets on there. All right, look at this oak right here. Spalted oak, man, this gorgeous. Let me go ahead and put this on and get it started. All right, so that's it for tonight. I put the second coat on these sticks, and it's getting pretty late to record anything else. It's about 8 o'clock now, and I'll come back outside and grab these so I can take them back to the garage at about 9:30 or 10 o'clock tonight. I don't want to leave them out overnight because the humidity is crazy down here. It's not as bad as it has been, but it's still pretty crazy, so it could really mess with it. So I'm going to take it into the garage later on so they can be in a completely dry environment, completely dry. Don't even know if it's going to rain in the morning. That's it. All right, you guys have a good night. Get out there, have fun, and keep sticking to it. Peace out.